we're really excited to share what we've been working on at Servicemate. In September last year, we launched a completely redesigned version of Servicemate. The new design was simpler, faster, and easier to use than ever. We've heard fantastic stories about how new staff have been able to use the new app with less training, and how it's helped businesses to be more productive. Today, we're introducing a number of improvements that will give you quicker access to information, save time, and give you new ways to manage job costs in your business. We believe that taking advantage of the latest technology allows small businesses to thrive in a competitive environment. In September last year, Apple launched 3D Touch, a new way to interact with your iPhone. Today, we're introducing Servicemate support for 3D Touch. You can now peek into jobs from your schedule or calendar, allowing you to quickly review multiple jobs without opening them. Using Peek Actions, you can call the client or even navigate to the job without opening it. And using Home Screen Quick Actions, you can clock on or off, navigate to your next job, and create new jobs. Another fantastic iOS feature is the ability to share information between apps on your devices. In Servicemate 4.1, we've improved support for sharing between apps. It's now possible to attach photos and documents from other apps directly into the job diary. This makes saving diagrams, documents, or email attachments into Servicemate much easier and faster. Since the release of Servicemate 4.0, customers have asked us for more visibility into the jobs that they are currently checked into. So we've now added support to include Servicemate in the notification center in your device. You can now see what job you're currently checked into anywhere on your iPhone, simply by swiping down from the status bar. What's great about this is you can return to your current job from anywhere on your iPhone. You can even see how many minutes you have until you should leave for your next job, so you're always on time. Actioning notifications in Servicemate is now a whole lot easier. You can reply to staff messages from your home screen without having to open the app. You can even use Siri to dictate your response. And you can swipe job reminders to start navigating or even call the client. If you use a keyboard with your iPad, we now support keyboard shortcuts. As businesses become more and more mobile, efficient data entry on your mobile devices is becoming essential. Keyboard shortcut support is a step towards improving this. 4.1 has an updated checkout wizard. You're now able to add an outcome on job completion, which will be added to the job diary. And if you're completing a quote or need to follow up after a site visit, you can add a dash on each line and it will automatically create a task when you check out. This is going to be great for ordering parts or ensuring that tasks are followed up. Checking into jobs in Servicemate is a great way to keep track of how much labor you're spending. When staff forget to check in, the recorded time quickly becomes inaccurate. Servicemate 4.1 now detects when you arrive on site, and if you haven't checked in within a few minutes, it automatically checks you in and backdates the time to when you arrived. In Servicemate 4.1, we've included a completely new GPS system. While most GPS systems work by reporting GPS locations consistently throughout the day regardless of if anyone actually needs that information, Servicemate now only reports GPS location when required by your team. This dramatically reduces battery usage and improves GPS accuracy. We highly recommend any staff who have turned off GPS to give it another go in Servicemate 4.1.
Job in 15 minutes.
You'll all be familiar with our 15-minute job reminder, keeping businesses on time since Servicemate started. But we're introducing a new reminder.
Job in 5 minutes.
Servicemate's job reminder now takes travel distance and traffic into account and notifies you 5 minutes before you actually need to leave for your next job. This is a simple but massive change, and we think it's going to make a huge difference to keeping you on time throughout the day. Photos in Servicemate are a fantastic way to communicate with your clients and team. Servicemate 4.1 now supports an iOS feature called Photo Actions. This is a really cool feature that makes it possible to mark up photos using other apps. For example, if we have Sketch installed, we can view a photo in the diary and then select Photo Actions. We can then mark up that photo using Sketch's tools. We can then save that straight into Servicemate. This allows you to communicate with your staff and customers easier and more effectively than ever. Servicemate makes your work easier by giving you access to information on your phone. But imagine having that information without even having to take your phone out of your pocket. Introducing Servicemate for Apple Watch. Servicemate for Apple Watch will keep you on time throughout the day while giving you access to information without needing to pull out your iPhone. You can receive and reply to staff messages from your wrist. Keep track of how long you've been on site and view job details. And receive next job notifications, which tell you everything you need to know about your next job and when you need to leave. We're really excited about the introduction of Apple Watch support to Servicemate. We believe that it's technology like this that enables our customers to get an advantage over their competition. We can't wait to hear how Servicemate for Apple Watch fits into your business. Servicemate 4.1 and Servicemate for Apple Watch will be available in the App Store from 6 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time today. So we've just talked about some of the new ways that Servicemate will help save time. Now let's talk about managing costs. Servicemate has always made it easy to create invoices and charge your customers. Today we're introducing a new way to manage your costs and see the profitability of jobs. Introducing Job Costing. Designed to be simple to use and provide you with estimated profit from start to finish on every job. With Servicemate's Job Costing add-on, you can quickly get a picture of how profitable a job will be while you're quoting, and see how much you'll make after you've completed the job. Estimated profit is clearly displayed at the top of the job card. Hovering over the profit gives you a breakdown of materials and labor. And for a more in-depth look, clicking on the profit provides a breakdown of costs and gross profit. Servicemate's Job Costing even automatically tracks admin labor, which is often a hidden cost in your business, making it easy to see the true cost of jobs that you're doing. The Servicemate Job Costing add-on costs 10 job credits a month, and it's available today. Because recorded time is now an important part of calculating the costs of jobs, if staff forget to check in, your costs would be incorrect. So it's now also possible to correct recorded time directly from the job card, allowing you to edit the start time and duration. You can even convert checked-in time to charged labor at the click of a button. Many businesses prefer to set item prices based on their cost plus a margin, rather than setting sell prices directly. Our new margin billing add-on adds a cost and margin column to the materials table. This allows you to quickly set material and labor prices based on margin. Margin billing also works really well with the Job Costing add-on, providing a breakdown of individual material costs. These new ways for you to visualize and manage your job costs will enable you to make better decisions earlier and will help your business become more profitable. This has been one of our most feature-packed releases we've ever done. From faster access to information and new ways to communicate with your staff and clients, to supporting the latest technology, giving you the edge on your competition. We've also announced 2 great new add-ons that will give you greater insight into your costs and profitability. We're so excited to see how these changes will help your business to thrive. But before we go, we have one more thing we'd like to share with you that we think you're really going to love. In 2014, we launched the ability for customers to self-serve and pay their own bill through online invoicing. Businesses using these features have reported significant reduction in admin time and managing invoice payments. Today, we're excited to announce 2 new ways of connecting with your customers. First, introducing online quote acceptance. You can now send your customers a link that will allow them to view and accept their quote online. Customers can also ask questions about their quote, which will be recorded in the job diary and notify you via email. Managing inquiries coming from your website or Facebook page has been difficult. The data has to be manually entered into your job card, and customers frequently forget to enter important details. Today, we're introducing a super simple way to capture inquiries from your website or Facebook page that can be set up in minutes. Introducing Servicemate's online inquiry form. A beautifully designed booking page for your business that works perfectly on any device. The address field auto-completes, and your customers can attach photos and files to help explain the work that they need done. Customers can then easily submit inquiries into your inbox, which can then be converted instantly into jobs. And because the form is managed by Servicemate, it requires almost no setup. Simply link to your booking page from your website or Facebook page, and you're good to go. Your customers are going to love being able to submit online inquiries, and you'll save admin time creating jobs while reducing the chance for keying errors. The online booking form comes with the Servicemate inbox, and it's available, you guessed it, today. So thank you very much for joining us today. We'd love to hear what you think about everything that we've talked about, or if you have any feedback. For more information on how to get started with anything we've talked about today, check out the Servicemate blog. Thank you again, and have a great Easter weekend. Hi everyone.